What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, a full legendary boss theme team. And it's been a while, I think I done a theme team. And yeah, we have all the legendary birds. And this is going to be a lot of editing. Also, by the time I'm recording, there's going to be I'm uploading an Drappy on Sweep. Please check it if you haven't checked it already. Also, in that sweep, I done a edit where I created it that you can only see the battle, not any chat or like that. If you like that formatting, I'll do that in this too. I'll probably do that in this too. I hope you guys like that. And yeah, let's go into this legendary but sets. The first one is Zapdos, normal Zapdos with choice band set. Yes, I'm running a physical set with pressure. I'm gonna quickly change it to static. Okay, we have with static and wild charge and brave bird for stab, U-turn and steel wing for coverage. This is max attack, max speed, jolly nature set. Next up is Moltres with focus sash with flame body, which has 30% chance to burn the opponent if hit by a physical move. Also Zapdos static, which has 30% chance to paralyze an opponent if they use a contact move. We have toxic, U-turn, air slash and double team. This is max defense, 248 HP, investment is special attack investment, bold nature set. Next is Articuno with leftovers with snow cloak, which riser evasion is hailstorm. We have hail, double team, ancient power and ice beam. This is max special attack, max speed, timid nature set. Next, our probably the best set in this team, Zapdos Galar with weakness policy with defiant, which doubles our attack stat if any of our stat gets lowered. We have close combat, acrobatic for stab, throat chop and U-turn for coverage. Max attack, max speed, jolly nature set. Also Zapdos choice band, which locks it into one move and raises it physical attacks. Moltres has focus sash. Basically we cannot get one KO'd. Articuno with leftovers, which heals our HP by 1/16th every turn. Zapdos weakness policy, which raises special attack and attack if hit by a super effective move. Next up is Moltres Galar with leftovers again. What? Okay. With Berserk, which boosts our special attack if our HP goes below half. We have Fiery Wrath for stab, Hex for coverage, Taunt and Memento. Max special attack, max speed, timid nature. Finally, Articuno with expert build competitive, which raises our attack if any of our stats get lowered, but this is a physical set with Brave Bird, Psycho Cut, U-turn and Trick Room. Also, let me change Moltres Galar's or Articuno's item. I will change it to Bright Powder. Okay guys, I changed it to Bright Powder and let's go into National Dex AG. Let's select. Wasting my time. Thank you. Honor Mewtwo. Super effective. Take that. That's what you get for special attack. I have 306 speed though. Taunt ended. Nice. Another Mewtwo. Fiery Wrath. I think it will outspeed me, right? Dude, what the F with you is wrong? What the F is wrong with you, dude? Dynamax Max Airstream though. Can you just battle? I'm gonna include this battle even if I lost this. Man. Yes, weakness policy. Nice chesty weakness policy. Bye bye Mewtwo. 492 speed. I'm gonna destroy you. 504 speed. Psychic. No problemo. 656. And I'm gonna raise my attack with Max Knuckle because of the Deoxys defense form. I have a lot of attack now. Jute. Deoxys attack. Throat chop. Bye bye. You Deoxys stupid thingy thing. Deoxys normal, which is basically Deoxys speed. Throat chop. Take that, you Deoxys. We won because I have Toxic on one of my Pokemon. Should I go for U-turn? Though? No. I'm gonna go for Throat chop. Nice. Psychic. Okay, you cared me. Choice Band Zapdos. U-turn. Cared it. Yeah, we won this battle. Very easy. So apparently a guy named Lucario Master named uploaded a video. Let's answer this. Asking what type is Bone Rush. I'm gonna answer it in my own way. Stupidity. Stupidity is my passion. Bone Rush is ground type move. I am winner. Come on, it's very easy question. I'm going to be in the next video. Booyah! So let's go back to our normal battling. Taking breaks. I'm gonna record for an half an hour. I'm gonna take breaks like this. 13 minutes. A lot of editing for me. Fuck me. Can I just say that played with this Zapdos Galar, my best Pokemon in this team. Scizor, nice. Dynamax Max Extreme. I'm gonna do this every battle. I don't care about anything. Yes. And now I'll outspeed his entire team. Max Knuckle. Max Extreme. Oh. Acrobatics is going to be such a waste. Should have gone for another Max Knuckle, but whatever it may be. Take that. Gardevoir. Too bad, my dude. I have Throat Chop for ya, and I'm gonna Throat Chop in your face. And yeah, Throat Chop. You can't use Hyper Voice. Take that. Yes. Take that, you Gardevoir. Who's gonna use Hyper Voice? I'm the best player in this world. Lucario, Bullet Punch. Zapdos, you played well, my dude. You played me well. You played. Yeah. Sorry for shouting, guys. But acrobatics. You know what? Zapdos could be helpful, so I'm gonna U-turn out. This might seem like a stupid play, but Zapdos might help us later. D-Dance. No. Why are you going for that? I'll go for double team in your face. Remember, double team is not a cheap move. If you wanna go for it, no problem. Also, he still has his Dynamax left, right? I'll go for Toxic. Extreme speed missed. Yes. You still have your Dynamax left. Oh. A lot of O's there. Double team. Yes. Don't get paralyzed. Yes. Let's do some damage. He can't hit a... Oh, he Dynamax did. Desperate Dynamax, people. Desperate Dynamax. 12%. Yeah, 12%. I'll probably Articuno. It's like the worst Pokemon in my team. Helia it is! Max Extreme. 15%. Nice. You'll die now. Sorry for hurting you, but you'll die. Braver than most. See what I did there? You died! Harsh. Gosh dang it! X. Now I'll send. We have only Zapdos left. Ironic. With against 2 fighting types. We won. Basically, we won, I think. Unless he missed some very interesting plays. Man, I'm gonna have a lot of fun editing this video. Yeah. Blaziken! Brave Bard! Bye bye, Ken! We won! I can't remember my mother. Only sometime in the midst of my play, a tune seems to hover over my playthings. The tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. I cannot remember my mother. Only sometime in the midst of my play, a tune seems to hover over my playthings. Said the duck to the kangaroo. Good gracious, how you hop over the fields and the water too, as if you never would stop. My life is a bore in this nasty pond, and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you, said the duck to the kangaroo. Said the duck to the kangaroo, please give me a ride on your back, said the duck to the kangaroo. I would sit she'll say nothing but cack, and whole of the long day through, and we'd go to the D and the Jelly Belly, over the land and over the sea. Please give me a ride, oh do, said the duck to the kangaroo, said the kangaroo to the duck. Okay. Please give me a ride, oh do, said the duck to the kangaroo. Do you guys like my song? How I sing? Now let's think of this song then. Dun, 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 dun. What is the song? Mom, I don't want to go to school today because I feel our world is in decay. Scientists are saying, can't remember lyrics. Should I sing Believer though? First things first, I must say all the voices on my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way the things are been. Ooh, the way the things are been. Ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that my man. Think that my one, I'm one at this say, I'm the master of my CEO. Ooh, the master of my CEO. Ooh. I was broken from a youngest age, my sulking to the mass. I read my poems for the few. They look at me, took me, shook me silly. Sing me, feeling me heartache from the pain. See my message from the veins, picking my feelings through the Pain, you made me a believer. Believer. Pain, let the bullets fly or let them rain. Mala, Madra, we came from. Pain, you made me a believer. Believer. Pain, let the bullets fly or let them rain. Mala, Madra, we came from. Pain, you made me a believer. Believer. Thanks for giving me the attack boost. That things that by the face of the ones up above. Well, please give it. Thanks. 698. 698. Nice. GG. Ha. You suck. My dude, you suck. You just suck. Throat chop. Oh, you outspeed me. You are choice carved, I know. So, what is the thing that can absorb? Why am I making this stupid place? You'll please switch into okay. Right. Oh, do said the duck to the kangaroo. The whole of the long day through. Please give me a ride on your back. Said the duck to the kangaroo. And we'd go to the D and the jelly bolly. Over the land, over the sea. Please check me right. Oh, do said the duck to the kangaroo. Harry Potter and the Cursed Child rant review. Everybody had Cursed Child, including me. What the F is that? I think we can win, but there is Zacian, which is the second most broken Pokemon in my opinion. So we'll lose. Yes, we paralyzed it. We might have a chance. We might have a chance, guys. We might have a chance. Yes, you are paralyzed and double team. And I have a focus sash, so guaranteed 2 double teams. Yo, back. Said the duck to the game. Miss. Yes, you get paralyzed. 3 more double teams and I'll start. No. Yeah, you missed. Reached at 16%. Miss or paralyzed. Ah, shit. How am I gonna win this? I think we can outspeed it, right? No. Should have gone for Trick Room. I forgot how fast was Zacian. Please get paralyzed. We lost. There's nothing we could do. This type just lost. Unless it gets paralyzed. So let's see. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Paralyzed. It missed. Yes. Snorlax and Bright Powder. We won. I think we won. Is Articuno give us the win? Yes! Articuno is like the worst Pokemon in our team, but it defeated Zacian, yes. And that's the video for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. A lot of editing for me.